Hi guys, my name is Reema Chitalia and I am the founder of EduFit. This is the part 2 of the hook video, and in this video we are going to talk about the development admits. So let's get started. Well, let us first understand what are development admits. Development admits are the kind of admits that are relayed to students who might have not actually made it to the cut otherwise, but are being admitted to a certain school because of a chance of soliciting a very high donation. If there is an alumni, a wealthy alumni who's willing to pay a huge amount of donation, then that particular student actually gets double hook, the legacy hook and the development admit hook. Now, a lot of you might come back and ask me, how big should the donation be? Well, it totally depends. It depends from school to school, and it is something that's kept confidential. In fact, I know so many international schools here because I live out of Bombay, so here in Bombay, which actually make regular donations to a lot of schools outside so that students from their schools get not only admitted but also get a heavy merit-based scholarship. So again, these could actually come from a bigger institution like your own school if it's wealthy, your high school I mean, or it could come from a prospective alumni or your own parents who are willing to make that kind of donation, right? Now, when they are actually seeking development admits, the development office doesn't really go looking around for them. But when these people enter the admissions pool, their files are flagged separately and are considered differently. The university justifies this practice by saying that they do need regular funds to keep things going and keep their things running, and which is why it is pretty justified for them. However, like any other thing, it is criticized and to each their own. Just one last thing, the percentage of development admits is really small, like probably 1 or 2%. So it doesn't really affect a lot of your regular admits that would be relayed out. Usually the bigger schools, the higher, more selective schools would still consider qualification and all the other qualities a lot superior. And unlike the legacy hook, which actually has a significant importance, development admits are just fine. So you don't really need to worry about or sort of criticize your parents that they can't pay for you, because at the end of your day, your qualification is going to be everything. All right, this is Reema signing off, and in the next video, we will come up with the remaining hooks, and hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you until next time.